probably going to use more purple. The more purple I use, the stronger the bleed.